Hey everybody, I'm gonna work on the Allis Dad's H3 today. Little dozer crawler. He's bringing the D15 around. We're gonna yank the engine out of it is the goal, see if we can get it out of there. He's previously got it all head off and everything disconnected and bolts loose, lifting bracket already on there, so it hopefully will come out pretty easy. Goal is we're gonna bring this back into town so then he can tear this down and hopefully rebuild it, or at least start working on rebuilding it this winter, because the engine is completely wore out. It needs to be rebuilt. So we'll check back when we get it plucked out of there. Of course it started raining, and of course the tractor battery was dead, so it didn't want to start and we had to jump it. But we got it out. All fun and games with tractor restorations. Got her on the engine stand.